Good morning students. Welcome to the online class of computer. Chapter number 4 HTML. Chapter number 4 HTML. In the previous lecture we have seen summary points regarding HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language and we require two things to prepare a web page. Okay, for web document we are using the make of use of HTML and we require two things for HTML. One is web browser and notepad. Okay, so in HTML text we have seen there are two text, paired text and unpaired text. Okay, and we have seen here in this that one HTML tag, that is B, for making the letter bold. Then we have seen what are the HTML tags, we have seen what are the attributes, how to create HTML documents. Okay, here you can HR is a unpaired tag. Here we use it only one time and it draws an horizontal line, and here HR color is equal to red. We can give the line as color, any color we want. Okay, color you have to specify as color. How to create the HTML document? We require two things. One is Notepad and another is any web browser, that is Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, anything. Okay, next point we need to remember is we have to save the file in the Notepad with .html extension so that we can see the output on the web browser. Okay, now we are going to study the format of HTML tags. So different formats are there, so let us study. Okay, HTML tags. Okay, so here you can see HTML tags are given. What are HTML tags? You can see here what are HTML tags. So here you can see here HTML is the starting and ending point is HTML. Head is there, head, and then title goes here, then title is closed. Head is there, head is closed. Okay, head means the head, what is will be the heading here, and what will be the title here. Body, here you can see the what, if you want to write the content you can write with the HTML. Okay, so three things you see here in this page. As shown in the above screen, HTML file starts with HTML tag and ends with /HTML tag. The HTML document is divided in two parts, head section and body section. The head section is always written before the body section. Okay, the head section is always written as the above the body section. Okay, here you can see head is started here and ending and body has started. Okay, so remember that body tag starts only after head tag. Okay, /head tag. Here few tags can be written between head and /head. The most common tag which is written between head and /head is title. Title tag is used to return a suitable title for the web page. The text written within title and /title is displayed on the title bar of the browser windows when page is viewed. Okay, so title is just after the head here. The content which you want to display on the web page is written within the body and /body tag. The different formatting tags which decide how the content will be displayed on the web page are also written within body and /body tag. Okay, so here different contents you can format the text using the body. Okay, in body you can make the changes here. Now let us create a simple web page. Okay, here we are going to create a simple web page. Open Notepad and type the following HTML code in it. So here you can see HTML started and HTML ended, HTML, then head, then title will be my first web page and it will be closed with /title. Head is closed here, then body will start. This is a simple web page and we have not used any text in the body section. Bye bye. /body. So body is also closed here and HTML is ended here. Now what will be appear, what will the content here? Content will be my first web page and the body will reflect this content here. Okay, now let us see. Okay, format of HTML text. You can see here in the next page. Now press Ctrl plus S or file save to save the above file. You will get the save as option dialog box as shown here. Now you have to press the Ctrl plus S and save the file. Type the file name as demo.html and click the save button. Okay, when you save, this button will open. All of you know this. The file, and you have to type the file name as demo.html. Now see here, extension is there, so you have to save the file with dot extension as .html. Then click save button. The file will be saved as web page in documents folders. You can also open documents folders and can use that file is displayed with web browser icon. This is because we saved the file with .html extension. Okay, so we have saved the file with .html extension. So this is the better way you can save the file in the document, okay, using .html extension. Okay, how to see the result of web page file in a browser. Now students, in the here we can see how to save the file. Okay, we have to save the file with .html extension. Now here the next step after saving web page file is to see the result in a web browser. You may use any of the following method to see the result of HTML file. Now how to see the result, that we are going to study. Okay, open documents folder or the folders in which you have saved your file, and then double click on the file icon. The file will automatically open in the default web browser. Now when you click on that file, if you save that file and you are clicking on that file, then the file will open, okay, in the web browser. Right click on the file and select open with, and then select the browser in which you want to open the web page. Okay, two method is there. One method is you can double click on the file and the file will open in the web browser, and another method is that you right click and open with any browser you want. Okay, these are the two methods you can use to see the output result of the web page. Okay, web page file in a browser. Open the web page and you will see the output. Now see here as shown below. So here it will reflect the name here in the web browser, and the body, the information which is there in your here, it will reflect. Okay, you can see here. Okay, in the above screen you will notice that all the three sentences are displayed on one line, even though they were written on separate line, which type in notepad. Refer page number 34. It is because browser ignores all enter keys and extra blank spaces entered in notepad file. If you want to some text to appear from next line, then you use proper HTML text for that. BR tag serves the purpose of displaying so students, you can see here we have to use for breaking the line, we have to use BR tag here. So here you can see all the sentence are completed in the one section, and we have used BR tag for break any line. Okay students, so BR tag is used for breaking the line. Okay, now let us understood different some more tags here. So here you can see formatting tags in HTML. So small tags here used to display the text in smaller font size. This is pair tag and contain right between small and /small is displayed with smaller font size in the web browser. Example, to display the sentence like CPU central processing unit is the brain of computer. The following code should be written within body tag. The CPU /small central processing unit /small is the brain of computer. Output will be the CPU central processing unit is the brain of computer. Now small tag is used to display smaller text. Now see here, now CPU is in the bold format, body is there, tag is there, and here you can see here the CPU small in small central processing unit, so it is displayed in the small unit and it is completed here. Okay, like this you can write in the body format. Big tag is there. The big tag is used to display the text in bigger font size. This is the paired document deck, and the content written between big and /big is displayed within bigger font size in the browser. So similarly here it is written in the small size, and here it will be written in the bigger size, you can see here. Okay, so in the a sentence like ROM will read only is a volatile memory, the following code should be written as this: ROM read only memory is a big volatile memory, so volatile will appear in the bigger format. So this was our lecture on HTML. In the next lecture we are going to see some more text. So that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.